Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 268 Rapalee Road and 3272 Plum Point Road on beautiful Seneca Lake.
This is a spectacular, one-of-a-kind property with 2 parcels, a home on nearly 5 acres, and a waterfront lot with a permanent dock for your boat.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Welcome your family and friends to the lake with a grand 2-story covered entryway and foyer with a cherry library wall with a ladder to grab your favorite book.
This is stunning open waterfront living with a vaulted ceiling great room with soaring ceilings, recessed lighting, bamboo floors, and a wall of windows with deck access. Plus a designer kitchen with diamond cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, and a center island breakfast bar, all with an adjacent powder room and laundry. What a great open space to entertain and enjoy the view.
Enjoy the ease and convenience of 1-floor living with this first floor owner suite with 2 walk-in closets, a wall of windows with deck access, and a gorgeous bathroom with a double vanity and tile shower. A great place to unwind after a day on the lake. The excitement continues upstairs with 2 spacious bedrooms with bamboo floors. One with a cathedral ceiling and lake views, another with a vaulted ceiling and nature views, plus a beautiful full bathroom. This architect design and quality built home has great craftsmanship and is evident in the details.
Sit back and relax on the low-maintenance deck with a covered area overlooking the beautiful landscaping and scenic nearly 5-acre lot with a ravine. The natural beauty will take your breath away. Enjoy the lake lifestyle with approximately 42 feet of pristine waterfront. With a shale beach perfect for skipping rocks or a bonfire, plus a permanent dock for your boat and all your waterfront activities.
You could have it all with this Seneca Lake dream home. Nearby this property are great restaurants, and of course, we're in the heart of the Finger Lakes wine country with easy access to Canandaigua and Geneva. Here we are at the north end of beautiful Seneca Lake with panoramic views and the city of Geneva.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 268 Rapalee Road and 3272 Plum Point Road on gorgeous Seneca Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!